Successfully maintaining floors with modern floor finishes is no longer unobtainable. Mirage Floor Finish Maintainer and Cleaner brings the answer into focus. This neutral range cleaner and maintainer utilizes neutral buffers along with chelating and anti-resoiling agents to produce maximum cleaning performance while also increasing the gloss of the floor finish. Mirage can tackle heavy-duty soiling as well as routine maintenance on any water-washable surface. Adjust the dilution ratio for light, general, or heavy-duty conditions. When used as directed rinsing is not required, Mirage will leave your surfaces clean, film-free, and shining bright with a pleasant fragrance.